Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix audio on Facebook Messenger. So first you just have to open your Messenger and then tap that conversation or specific conversation here. So click this camera icon and then what you're going to do next is you have to click this three dots at the top right corner. Once you tap this one, and then what you're going to do next is you have to look for call settings. Now, once you tap this call settings here, then you have to click this audio output and then tap speaker. Now, see if this method worked. You can go back and see if it fixed share screen audio on Facebook. If not, then the next thing to do is you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your Messenger application. You can go to your Play Store and then update your Messenger application. If the issue or the error is still occurring, then what you're going to do is to exit your Messenger and then long press the Messenger application, tap this app info, and then this time you have to look for storage usage, tap clear cache, go back and see if everything is okay or functioning well. If not, then scroll down, tap this permission. You have to make sure that you have allowed all the access of the features here. And then go back and see if this method worked. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.